So in today's video, you guys are going to learn how to become a millionaire off minimum wage. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, we talk about everything money. We talk about stocks, money management, trading, investing, all that good stuff. So subscribe to join the team. So guys, let's jump into it. So right now, the minimum wage in the United States is about $7.25 per hour. That's near and around $1,100 per month that you're making working full time. And I know you're saying, Carter, right now, man, that's $7.25. That's not enough money to do things. That's not enough money to become a millionaire, start investing. So we're going to be giving you guys a 3-step plan that I would highly recommend doing. It's something that I've done and that I currently do just so I can keep track of my finances and honestly just grow my wealth even more. All right, so the first thing that I would recommend doing is if you're making not even minimum wage or just a lower income is develop a side hustle. Developing a side hustle is a great way where you guys can honestly just get extra income. And I know you're saying right now, Carter, I don't have much money to invest in a business, into a side hustle. I got no time. Well, if you're working 40 hours a week, most of the time you'll have weekends off or a couple of days off throughout the week. And that is your time to shine. My guy, you guys can honestly start a lawn care business. You guys can start a table and chair rental business. All this stuff is relatively cheap. If you guys save up, we'll talk about how to save later in the video. But honestly, starting a side business is a great way where you guys can honestly just start making extra money that you guys can use for more investments and honestly just more opportunities. And trust me, there is a lot of other side hustles that don't require any money, like tutoring, babysitting, pet sitting, all those literally don't require any money. So don't say money's the issue, it's just your willingness to try. But I definitely found the more profitable ones are gonna be ones that you do have some sort of upfront cost. Guys, table and chairs is the best. It's $1,000. You can rent them out for $150. You pay them back within nine rentals, and then you're all cash flow positive, making $150 per weekend. And it's just something that I would highly recommend doing. Table and chairs rentals is such an undervalued side hustle. But let's move on to the second thing. All right, so the second thing that I would recommend doing is have a budget. Whether you guys make $100,000 a year or you guys make $1,200 a month. Having a budget is going to be a great way where you guys can keep track of your finances and overall just start investing, saving, all that good stuff. So let's break down how much money you guys would be savings for your needs, your necessities, your wants, all that good stuff. So the rule that I always love is the 50-30-20 rule. So what that is, 50% of your income goes towards needs. This is gonna be food. This is gonna be transportation to get to work. This is gonna be your mortgage payment, all things you cannot live without. Now, the other 30%, this is gonna be your wants. So this is gonna be when you guys go out to dinner, if you guys wanna splurge on a new camera or a phone or something like that. Then the rest, the 20%, that's gonna be where you guys save, invest, or pay off debt. Paying off debt, if you guys have debt, that is where I would highly recommend putting your money. Pay off those credit cards. Those interest rates are crazy high and they'll burn you in the long run. And the average credit card interest rate ranges from 19 to 28%, so pay those bad boys off with that 20%. So if you guys make $7.25 an hour, let's break down how much money for your needs, your wants, and your savings. So for your needs, that gives you about $580 for your transportation, for your food, for your things you cannot live without, $580. And there you're saying right now, Carter, I can't live off $580. You guys, yes you can. Having a side hustle is going to be a great way to kind of expand into some other things. So just because you make a small amount of money now does not mean that's going to be like that forever. But sticking to a budget, I'm telling you, is going to be a great way to boost your confidence and your overall financial wealth. Then for your wants, you're looking at about $348. This is going to be for eating out. This is going to be for things that honestly you just more want rather than need. I think we all know those. And then the rest of the money comes out to $232. This is for your savings. This is for paying off any debts you have, student loans, all that stuff. Paying off that is going to be a great way where you guys can still boost that financial wealth. All right, I know you're saying right now, Carter, How do I become a millionaire? This is why I clicked on this video. This is why what I mostly care about. How do I do it? So guys, let's break it down. You make $7.25. This is the third and final step. You make $7.25 per hour. You make $1,100 pretty much per month. How do I become a millionaire? So that extra 20%, that's where you shine. That $232. So what I would recommend doing after you pay off your credit cards, after you pay off all that high interest debt, then you're gonna invest your money. Not into just random companies and all that good stuff. You're gonna invest it in the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is a staple. It's the GOAT for investing. And I know people right now are saying, Carter, you can't become a millionaire just investing into something so basic. Guys, yes, you can. I don't care what people say on the internet. You can make millions of dollars off investing in the S&P. The biggest thing is consistency. Consistency is the most important thing. So let's break down how it works. So if you guys have $232, that 20% off that rule, the 50-30-20 rule, $232 per month. What you're gonna do is invest in the S&P. That gets on average a 10% return. Over the past 90 years, through all the ups, through all the downs, the bull markets, the recessions, all those, the average return rate is about 9.8%, about 10%. So if you guys take that $232, you invest it, getting that 10% return, which it's done for 90 years, you would retire or have a retirement of $1.2 million. That is how you guys making $7.25 per hour can become a millionaire. And guys, if you grow your income, if you get side hustles, if you get promotions, all that stuff is just gonna fuel to this. But the biggest thing is just having a budget. Having a budget, I'm telling you, is gonna be the fastest way where you guys see improvement, where you guys see, honestly, just a lot more financial wealth coming off you. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys got anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the team, new to the channel, subscribe. We talk about everything money. So we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.